Alright guys, so this is the new Galaxy Watch Ultra which I'm upgrading from the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Uh, Poor battery backup, the moment you download app it gets slower, so not the best watches I would say. I've had it from the time it was launched, and this one again I bought immediately after it is launched. Let's see how this performs. I'll put in another video once I switch it on. Right now I'm just doing the unboxing. So this is the watch. It's interesting how they put the image of orange everywhere on the pack, here, and we will see what color they usually give. There's another tamper evident sticker here, and there you go. So this is your watch, multiple sensors, QR code at the bottom, there's a temperature sensor as well, and yeah, it's orange in color, looks nice. I need to check what color I ordered, but yeah, this looks nice. Let's see where the strap is. This one is probably the charging cable. Yeah, it's the charging cable. Type C to magnetic. There's something else inside. Let's see what it is. It's just the booklets and warranty and stuff. Okay, let's see what's in this. There's probably the strap, and it is the orange strap. Fantastic. They said it's out of stock, but yeah, I got the orange strap. I'll put in another video of, yeah, it's this one's probably easier to put than the previous one. Yeah, this is easier than the previous one, because previous one was typical press here and then struggle with the pin, etc. Not as simple. This one's pretty sleek. Let's switch it on for the first time. Hopefully it works exactly the same way as this watch. So yeah, it does. I'm going to back up this watch into that through the Wear app on Samsung phone that I have, and yeah, I'll upload another video of the watch once I have taken the backup. Thank you so much.